A Strickland 78-inch wide heavy duty bucket for demolition application on a 45-ton excavator. This unit is fitted with Qualitough heavy duty long teeth and a 60mm 400 Brinell hardness cutting edge. The side plates of each bucket are reinforced and protected by Qualitough wear shrouds, again cast in 400 Brinell hardness material. The delta trapezium beam section of the bucket gives it extra strength for working in the most arduous of conditions. All Strickland heavy duty buckets are protected by transverse wear straps and curved wear runners. The back of the hanger brackets are further supported by an extra supporting bar.